So annoying. So annoying. My name is Steve, and you're watching Ram Beast Projects. Today, we're gonna solve the issue that you just observed. We're gonna be doing an install on a Ram 1500 and my truck tandemly at the same time. Thanks to Headlight Revolution, who, by the way, are proud supporters of the Men in Blue. So all my law enforcement friends, make sure you hit them up for any of your lighting upgrades. Yes, don't shoot me. We're doing another lighting upgrade today. But it's a good one, and I'll explain why. You just gotta stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm here with Mitch from 10E Emergency Vehicle Services.
How's it going, fellas?
We're gonna be installing some components, some lighting upgrades. Yes, dare I say, lighting upgrades. These are actually bulb replacements. We're not adding any more lights to the truck. We're gonna be installing the reverse lights. These reverse lights are 1,000 lumens. And if you look inside the reverse lights, I don't know if you can see it, there's a reflector in the Ram reverse lights, which doesn't effectively or efficiently spread the light like it should when you're backing up. These reverse lights are going to solve that problem, and we got these from Headlight Revolution. And we're also going to be installing the cargo lights. And in my truck, you saw that I got that error message earlier. This is going to solve those problems, and it's Headlight Revolution's tag light replacement LED bulbs. And during the installation, we're going to show you the difference between the two kits. My truck has projector headlights. Mitch's truck, which is the 2017 Ram 1500, has the reflector headlights. If you're not sure what those are, I'll show you right now. Reflector quad headlights versus my truck, which has the projector headlights. See the difference. It's a fairly simple installation. You're just going to remove these two torque bolts and remove the tail light. You pull straight back and you'll see there's two clips right there that clip in to this part of the tail light. And that clips into your body right here in those grooves. And you're going to remove that brake light bulb and your reverse bulb. Now I'm going to unbox the actual replacement bulbs themselves. The 2017 Ram 1500 has the T15s, which look like this. Now Mitch is going to install this in his truck.
So basically there's a couple little pin outs here. Basically we're just going to try and slide one of them in. Just get it to where it pops in. Actually feel it go down in there, and you can turn it. Can't really see the bulb here, but they tell you to put the bulb reflector out. You kind of can't see it there, but basically what they're after is, if you see on this bulb, they want the bulb side out, not the back diode there. Now you got the bulb in, so you're basically going to come over and plug it right into your connector here. There's two pins down there, kind of make sure you got that centered up. There we go. Kind of a tough fit there. I'll push in. Plug your top turn tail back in. And basically slide your light back in.
You're just going to repeat the process on the passenger side. Let's test these.
except for a low tire pressure. Weather here in PA does not help us.
We all have those problems. Let's do my truck now. And then the newer trucks with the LED taillights, you're gonna have a red pin. You actually gotta slide, I believe you slide this up. Or is it down? It's up. Of course, it's full of salt and grime right now from our lovely roads. And this is the pin I was talking about. This actually will be down, locked in place. You need to slide that up to remove that. Trucks with the projector headlights require the 7440. We want this side facing to the rear of the truck. Not that side, this side. If you can see that. Mine went in a lot easier than yours.
Sure did. Sure did.
Push that red slider clip down. Make sure you line these up with these. Make sure this is out of the way. There you go, just like that. I'm not going to tighten these up yet, just to make sure they're both working. And we're just going to repeat the process on this side. Mitch is going to be replacing his cargo bulbs first, and actually we'll only show that on his truck because it's the same exact process with my truck, his truck, and his truck. So, pretty simple. You're going to use a Phillips to remove your third brake light, and then you'll see there's two bulbs inside there. Just want to remove those and swap them out. Two bulbs that you're going to remove are the two outer bulbs. Test it real quick.
Yeah, we should probably test her before we put her back in there. Put the two screws back in. Really? No, it's just a hole.
There you go, and just like that, you're done. And we're gonna replace the tag lights on my truck, and that will be it for today. These LEDs that I purchased from another company, I'm not gonna say who they were, because I am a fan of their products. So they don't have CAN bus compatible bulbs, unlike Headlight Revolution. It's a pigtail, you just twist the pigtail counterclockwise, and pull, whoa, that's not good. Wow, just pulled right off. I'm gonna slide this back into the pigtail. There you go.
Up in there somewhere.
Yeah, up in there somewhere, and then you're gonna turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Just like that. And we're gonna repeat the process on the trucks. There you go. The real test will be is to see if the air light comes on when I start my truck and turn the headlights on. That's gonna be the real test. No air light. Yeah, buddy. just like that, another vlog comes to an end. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Special thanks to Eric from Headlight Revolution for sending us some of their awesome products. I don't think you're gonna find another 1,000 lumen reverse light bulb for one of these 4th gen Rams that's that bright, that doesn't cause any error messages when you start your truck up. And the tag light situation, completely resolved. I've been driving the truck for about 6 hours, no issues whatsoever, and they're super bright. So again, thanks Eric, greatly appreciate it. Let me know if you guys want to see us do another installation of one of their products, maybe like an LED low beam kit for a 4th gen Ram, or maybe an HID kit. Comment below, let us know. All the information that we discussed in today's video will be in the description below as well. Detailed information, so check that out. Check out Headlight Revolution. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time, please subscribe. We greatly appreciate it. I'll see you guys at the next upload. Thank you.